Hey YouTube, the Pledger here with another YouTube video. Well, usually I do editing, but I haven't edited in a long time because I kind of just gave up on that because I don't know what happened. I'm just pain in the ass, especially on this computer because I have a Toshiba satellite Windows 8 computer. There's not that much RAM on it, but anyway, that's not the point. I've been having a lot of people have been having a problem with a lot of software called Hamachi, usually for people with Windows 8, which I don't know why the people are having problems with that, but like honestly for the past maybe 2-3 weeks, I've been trying my hardest to figure this shit out. Like, excuse my language, but like seriously, this shit is fucking confusing, right? Like for other people it might be easy, but for like Windows 8 users especially, I think it's bad. But I started using Tungle instead because I'll put a link if you want to use Tungle. But Hamachi is good. It's simpler. This is a little bit more confusing, but it works just as well as Hamachi. But I'm going to tell you what the problem was. I figured out for both of these it actually didn't work at first until I stumbled upon another error on this, which actually explained it. This one, so if you go into LogMeIn Hamachi, right, you go on it. Just a little pop. Alright. Wait for it to load. I'll show you what the error, or not the error, but the problem is. Well, what the hell? Well, that one wouldn't open, but usually it shows a little caution sign. Like if I go to, where is that? Somewhere. I don't even see it. Oh, okay, whatever. Anyway, but usually it has a little caution sign, like a yellow little caution sign. But I'm going to teach you guys how to fix that, alright? So what you want to do is, if you have Windows 8, you can follow me. Maybe some other computers you can figure out. Just go to Control Panel. Alright, that's the first thing. Then you want to go to... no, actually, no, let's back out. Let's go to home button right here. Go search Programs Files and type in Device Manager. Also, for Windows 8 people, you can slide over here, go to Search, and search everywhere if it loads. Right here, Device Manager. Alright. If it searches, here, I'll just do it here. Anyway, Device Manager. Alright, it'll pop up right here. Which one is it? Device Manager. It doesn't matter, pick whatever one. Alright, it'll load this right here. Now what you want to do is scroll down to network adapters. You will not probably see this. If you're using Tungle or Hamachi, either one, you will not see this. This is the problem, right? If you don't see something called like Hamachi something or tap, because this is Tungle right here, this is what their network adapter is, that means that's why it's not working, because I pretty much figured this out why. So if this does work without you getting access denied, I'll show you in a second, then tell me. Or not tell me, what the hell. And then I'll tell you how to fix that. But yeah, so what you want to do is highlight network adapters, go to Action, and then go to Add Legacy Hardware. Nets, you click Nets, alright, and then you want to go Install the Hardware Manually, Advanced. Then you want to scroll down and look for network adapters right here. Now wait for, it says retrieving a list of all devices. You're going to wait for that. It will load in like 10 seconds or less. Alright, now you're going to see a list of like manufacturers, and since you have LogMeIn Hamachi, you'll see this right here. This is the adapter that you need, and you have to manually install this. But watch this. This was my problem, alright? I have a third, right, I'm going to click Next, so say LogMeIn, you want that, and it says hardware to install, and you just try to install it. Watch what happens. It says access is denied. So what's happening is that probably a third-party software is blocking it. So you don't need to delete that third like Norton or something like that might be blocking it. Like I have Norton here, but I don't use it really. I don't know why it's that. I want to delete it, but it's not, whatever. It's not. I don't know what the problem is. It's just a third-party software blocking it. So if you get that, what you need to do is go into safe mode. I can't show you guys how to get into safe mode, but pretty much all you do is you hover over the reset, you go to power or wherever your restart button is. Pretty much what you do is you go to restart, you hold shift and you hit restart, and you hold down shift until it takes you to a different screen. And I will leave you a link on how to the whole thing, how to fix that. But that's my way of doing it, because I mean honestly, every way I looked, no one like figured out how to do it. Like they would show you all this other stuff, honestly it didn't work. Like, so I'll show you a link to the page. Let me see. It was Windows Safe Mode. Here it is. Alright, so I'll tell you right here, guys, so you don't have to worry about like going on this page. So what you want to do is to boot in safe mode. Alright, if Windows is running, yeah, don't worry about that. All you have to do is follow this I would write this down before you do it so you know where you're going. So when you hold Shift key, don't worry about the F8. That doesn't work. If you, I mean, unless you have a different computer and it works for that. But what worked for me was Shift key for my Windows 8 computer. So when you hold down the Shift key and hit the restart button, and as you do that, it'll say wait while the Alright, so you're gonna go to Advanced Startup Options. Then you're gonna go to Troubleshoot. Then select Advanced Options. Select Windows Startup Settings. Click Restart. And then select safe mode. Oh, whoopsies, sorry guys. And then you're gonna click select safe mode or safe mode with networking. What it will do, it'll have like telling you like what do you want to do, and you're gonna like I think it's number 5 or something, but it'll tell you what to do. All right, when you go there, you're gonna click F5 or 5, one of those two buttons, and it will go into safe mode. Now to simply exit this, I was scared that I wouldn't be able to get out of safe mode, but don't worry about it. All it's doing, and make sure you do safe mode with networking. Don't do safe mode, because then you won't be able to connect to the internet if you need to look up something or something like that. Alright, so that's how to get into safe mode if your third-party software is denying you're trying to install it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, if it doesn't work, message me and I'll tell you some more ways, but this is like honestly the only way that was the problem for me. A lot of people have different problems, but yeah, that was my problem with the yellow caution sign, because it was being a tunnel error and I figured it out. So I would show you this, but like right now I use Tungle. I don't use Hamachi, and yeah, I reinstalled Hamachi and I didn't feel like doing that all over again, so I only use Tungle with my friends now. And Tungle is like honestly I think better than Hamachi. It has like it's hard to explain. It's just better, right guys? But yeah. Please subscribe, comment, rate, like my video if it helped, comment if you need help, guys, and yeah, peace out.